Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the basic block and the flow graph representation. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. And now let's jump into the problem. So while solving the basic block and the flow graph, let's see what is basic block. Basic block is the collection of the statement executed in sequence. That is, one after the other, each statement will be executed in this sequence. So there are two rules to know about the basic block and how to represent the flow graphs. First is to determine the leaders, and the second one is to determine the basic block. Determine leaders and determine basic block. First, while determining the leaders, the first statement will be the leader. So here the first statement is prod is equal to 0. So this will be the leader. So let's write the leaders first. 1. Next, target of the conditional or the unconditional jump will be considered as the leader. If you see, where is the target? Target of the conditional statement. So if you see for the conditional statements, at the ninth one, if I less than 20, so this is the conditional statement. Go to 5. So go to 5 means this is the target. So fifth statement will be the target of the condition or the unconditional jump. So that is fifth one will be the leader again. Next, here if j is less than or equal to 5, go to 7. So 7 is the target of the conditional jump. So seventh one. So seventh one will also become the leader. Third one, statement following the conditional or unconditional jump, they will be also considered as the leaders. So after 9, the statement following the conditional or unconditional statement. So ninth one is the conditional statement. After that is j is equal to j plus 1. 10th one will be the leader, and after 12th one, 13th will be the leader again. Because 10th one is the conditional statement which produces the target, and the target will also be the leader, and its next following statement will also be the leader. Now we got the leaders and we must determine the basic blocks now. Start at the first statement of the leader and end at the next leader. So if we consider here, first one will be the first leader, prod is equal to 0. Next, 1 to 5 means up to the next leader. Start at the first statement of the leader and end at the next leader. Next leader is 5. That means first one will be considered, second, third and fourth will be considered. So what is second statement? I is equal to 1. Third is T2 is equal to address of A, which is address of A minus 4. Next, T4 is equal to address of B minus 4. So this will be considered as one block. This will be considered as one basic block. Now 1 is over. 1 to 4 is over. Now 5 to 6, because next leader will be considered in the next basic block. So we must consider from 5th one, and 6th one will be included. 7th is the new leader. So 5th statement is T1 is equal to 4 star I, T3 is equal to T2 T1. Now, so this is the separate basic block. Now from 7 to 9, because next leader is 10. So 7 to 9, 7, 8, 9 will be considered in the another basic block. So 7th is prod equal to prod plus T3, I is equal to I plus 1. Now we completed up to the 9th statement. Now 10th will be the leader, no? So 10th to 12. So 10, 11 and 12 will be considered again. J is equal to J plus 1. Next 11th is K is equal to K plus 1. 12th one is if J is less than or equal to 5, go to 7. So now we completed another basic block. So only one element is there, that is 13th one. So it is also a leader. So we will be writing it in the separate basic block. I is equal to I plus j. There are no other there are no other statements left, and also there are no other leaders left. We will stop the process here. So this will be considered as the separate basic block. So from 10 to 12 is the separate basic block. From 7 to 9 is the basic other. From 7 to 9 is the another basic separate block. Now let's connect the basic block so that it will be formation of the flow graph. So the flow will be like this. From first block it will go to second block, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. Like this only all will be executed in this sequence. Now if you see here, if I value less than 20, go to 5. So where is 5? So 5 is in this basic block. So I must redirect from here to the basic block 2. So this is basic block 1, basic block 2, basic block 3, basic block 4 and basic block 5. Next, here another conditional statement is there. If j is less than or equal to 5, go to 7. Where is the 7th statement? Here, that is in basic block 3. So you must go from here, from B4 you will be going to the basic block 3. So this is the flow graph for the given basic blocks. First what you must do, you must be determining the leaders. First statement will be leader, target of the conditional statement, that is go to, if it is there means inside what will be the value, that statement will be the leader, and the statements following the conditional or unconditional statement. So if this is the conditional statement, its following statement will be considered as the leader. Now we determined the leader. So while determining the basic block, start from the first leader and end just before the leader, next leader. That is 1 to 4 one group, 5 to 6 one group, 7 to 9 one group, 10 to 12 one group and 13 will be another group. So if you make like this and show the go to, here 5 was there, so it was shown to basic block 2 because 5th statement was in basic block 2. Now it showed 7, so we went back to basic block 3. Like that if you show means your problem is solved. Hope you understood the concept of basic block and flow graph. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and if you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.